So here's another thing you can do. This one here, it's broken. So what we did was we took it out, but we noticed that they're not the same. So this is the one that goes in here. It's a little bit bigger where it sits in the pivot point, and it uses metal. No one uses plastic. What I did was I found one of the ones that was from like a Passat instead. It was like a different connector, and I just pulled the gut out of it, which was this piece and that piece, so to try and place that. So you'll have to use this. You can't use this. You see they're clocked in a different position. No matter where you put it, it will be wrong when it sits in there. So that's out of a Passat. This is from a Rabbit Golf Mark 5. We have this broken piece. So what we do, we put this back down in here carefully, and use something like this to put your piece in. That way you can drop it down like that. I don't know why this thing's got me in the wrong orientation. I can't change the video. So we take this piece. It doesn't really matter which way, as long as you get it like that into the pivot part. And you'll snap that on there, and you'll be good to go. And then you snap your button back on there. So you need that. Just give me a second. Okay, so you just push it down. It snapped. So now we're sitting there. And we just need to make sure that we know where our knob is at before we push it down on there. So you're going to have right, left, and 0, and then it'll click all the way up to the middle to go to the defroster. There we go, dropping things. So this one is where it needs to be. It's a little bit loose because of the change in the part, but this would get you going on the road if you needed to get one of these fixed. And you couldn't find anything but the other one that has the 10 pin. So they look the same, but when you pull them out, you'll see there's a quick release over here instead of a quick release there. And they're on all the Jettas and Beetles and stuff like that. So this would get you going for your Rabbit or your Golf. Or a GTI, I think. Certain GTIs use these. So, maybe that'll help somebody. Thanks for watching.